Hi there! In today's video, we will be talking about how to get TikTok Shop promo codes. By using promo codes on TikTok, you can save money on your purchases by receiving discounts, free shipping, or other special offers. So how are we able to see and use them? First, let's go to TikTok. Then just tap on the shop button at the bottom. Most of the time, just by opening the shop section, pop-up promo codes will already appear here, like this. So you can claim them all if you want. You can also find promo codes or coupons here. You can just tap on claim to get them. You can also tap on the other free shipping option here, and you'll be able to see more coupons or promo codes here. So for example, if we tap on claim and we tap on use, we'll be able to buy items here using the coupon we just claimed earlier. Once you check out your order, you will see that the discount coupon will be automatically used here. And that's essentially it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for joining us today and see you in our next video.